Hey, hello everyone, this is David Ivry. I'm at the Damascus Gate in Jerusalem, and we are on the way for a ride in the light train, the Jerusalem light train. So join me, we're going to walk over to the light train station and take the train all the way over to Mount Herzl. This is a park just outside of the Damascus Gate. There's also parking here outside of Damascus Gate, and the bus station that serves all of the Arab bus lines in Jerusalem. There's also some parking inside of the parking area. We see some signs from the municipality of Jerusalem for the holidays. We're going to check that out in just a moment. The Jerusalem municipality wishes all its Christian residents and visitors a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So that's to all of our visitors and all of the would-be visitors. All right, now we're seeing one train going in our direction, but there should be another one in a couple of minutes, usually between 5 and 7 minutes. We'll get up to the station and see how long we need to wait for the next train to arrive. Here's a train going in the other direction. Oh, it's stopped for traffic, so we can cross over. Neighborhood across the street from us is considered the American colony neighborhood. At some point, we'll tour around that neighborhood more and speak about its special history. This neighborhood is just above the Damascus Gate, which we can see the top of the gate in the distance behind us. And now we see that the next train here, our next train is 2 minutes away. Say a few words about the payment system for the train. So say that you are just a random visitor to Jerusalem. You could come to this machine and you can buy a one-time ticket, a cardboard ticket, or you can get a Rav-Kav card going to one of the Rav-Kav stations, stores, and you can sign up and get a personalized Rav-Kav, and then you could fill it up at this machine. See the machine here, the button on the bottom left has the ability to do English. Just a second. I don't know if I'll say much while we're on the train. Just straighten out my camera in a moment and see what we can see here. passing by Notre Dame. Here we'll be turning off into the city center. This is the City Hall building. The next station will be at the Kekar Safra, the Safra Square.
העירייה, البلدية, City Hall.
Here we seem to be standing still. And now we move. So we're moving from the City Hall, the Kekar Safra. Stop will be the Jaffa Street and King George. Passing by the Zion Square, the Ben Yehuda Street. And here we're passing by some buildings that are being protected and rebuilt. Jaffa Center Station. Jaffa Center Station is at Jaffa and King George Street. Here we can see King George Street ahead of us.